Hi, my name is Aries Camitan, and here's my submission for week 011, laboratory exercise number 6. Okay, so in this laboratory, I was asked to open my lab 5 and I need to create and configure image server. Okay, so let me open my packet tracer. So this is my laboratory 5. So I was asked to double check the, okay, it's 990. Okay, so I need to create a new server with this name, server. Okay, then attach it to the network. Then I need to configure the gateway and the IP address. So the gateway is this one. It's 172.16.0.1. Server should be 11. Static address. What is the address? Address is 172.16.0.40. So that's the static IP address. So I need to turn it off since this is an image server. So I will off the other services. So I just on SMTP and POP 3 service. Then I need to create 3 accounts. Okay, for domain name, what should I put there? Did it mention here? Okay, must put this as my domain name. Okay, that's set. User 1, datacom 1. Okay, user 1, datacom 1, datacom 1 for first user. Then for my second user is user 2. Password is datacom 2. User 3. Password is datacom 3. Okay, it's already set. Then I need to configure the CP. Configure one PC and I already done this for 7. Okay. Oh, didn't mention that I should configure the mail server in my DNS, but I think I should do it. IP address is 40. If I don't configure it in DNS, then it will not show. I mean, my PC client cannot connect to the email server. So it doesn't mention here that I should configure, but I will do it anyway. So in my DNS server, so DNS, is it a record? Should be a record. Then the IP address is 172.16.90. Okay, 172.16.0.90. Then I will add. Let me see the other option here, just a host name. Doesn't say about the address. Okay, right. Let me configure my DNS. Then for my email client, this is for user 1. So meaning my first PC. should configure this. I think I better copy this one, so it's easier for me to configure later on in this PC. So open my packet tracer. So my first PC, I should go email. Okay, user one at this one, then incoming mail server. Oh, pieces. Let's try first. Input email address 172.16.0.40. 2.16.0.40. Name is user1 datacom1. Save. Okay, then PC2 stop email. So this is user2 2.16. So I need to key in the email server address. User2 datacom2. Save. Then third PC user3 at this one. Then key in again the IP address of my email server. User3, password is datacom3. Save. Okay, now all the email has been configured. So let me compose an email. I send to user2 at this one. Then address, subject is just test message 1. Dear user2, this is a test email. So I sent. Now it's sending the email. Oh, it says send success. Okay, so I configure everything here. Add to switch. Okay, this is already done. Okay, doesn't say to do anything, so I just test my email. So I need to check the user2 if he really received the email. Receive. Alright, he received the email. So my message, this is, so let me reply. Can I put another email? Oh, I can only send to one email. I want to send to forward to user3, but okay, never mind. Dear user1, receive, send. Okay, send success. Check. Receive. So here receive. I want to do something. The configuration desktop. Configure mail. Instead of IP address, let me change to this one since I configure it in the DNS server. Let's see if any issues. Sending email. Okay. Save. I send email to user 1. Subject. This is test using domain name dear user 1. This is a test message. Send. Oops. So looks like it doesn't able to send email using the domain, so I need to put it back again. 0.40. Save. Yeah, you can send. So looks like there's a problem with the DNS. Anyways, since this is just a test, I'm for this laboratory exercise, so it's good that I'm able to test 16.0.40. Okay, so the email is working. So now to answer the questions, what is an email server? So an email server is a server that consists of the email users that we created. So once you created your email user, then your client can connect to your email server to send email. So basically, email server is used to send messages um, between clients by the use of email. Then number two, how can we send information from one PC to another? So you can send it via email client. So you need to specify the user email address, and then you can put your subject and message and send to the recipient. Okay. Then for number three question, what is static routing? Static routing is when you specify your routing statically. It's like putting your PC IP address manually. Then for number four, what is dynamic routing? So dynamic is using via the DHCP server. So your clients, you don't need to configure the IP address manually. You can configure using the DHCP. And that's all for my laboratory exercise. And thank you for viewing.